This 2022 Newmar Ventana 3407 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 34 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Belmont Decor, Glacier Glazed Maple Hardwood interior, sleeps 4, air conditioning, DVD player, TV, smoke detector, TV antenna, leveling jacks, external shower, self-contained, slide-out, awning, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2022 Newmar Ventana 3407 is built on a Spartan K1 360 HP chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.